Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is our 16th chapter, coal and petroleum. You have already you have no idea about that. In the previous classes already you have studied that about that, especially about that what is that petroleum and what about that coal and what are the natural sources, about that you have studied. So coal and petroleum, these are the fossil fuels which takes the times long periods to make it. It is one of natural sources. Yes. So which can finished after using by the consumption by the human activities. Yes. So this is also called as inexhaustible natural resources, which one you have studied in that 7th classes. And about specially what is that petrol and coal, how it is made of, how it is using, and how we are utilizing in by that human bodies, human activities, we will discuss in this chapter. So first of all, we will discuss about that, students. What are the learning objectives in this chapter? What are the learning objectives in this chapter? Means what are the things, what are the terms related to here, and we are going to learn in this chapter. So let us see first of all natural resources. Natural resources and about that exhaustible and inexhaustible and fossil fuels, coals, fossil fuels, next after coals and its formation, uses and destructive distillation, petroleum, its formation and refining, natural gas, and problem of overutilization of fossil fuels. If you utilize, you do that fossil fuel, what will the problems it will happen, we have to discuss. So first of all, today we are going to discuss about the natural resources. Okay, that first we are going to discuss about that natural resources. The material which is obtained from the nature are classified as natural resources: air, water, soil, forest, coal, etc. Means natural resources means what is that? The source we made, or the material or source where we are getting from the nature. Suppose some materials you will say. Suppose you will say that plastic we are making. It is made by the manufactured by the human beings. But some materials which are made already by the nature, or it is made by the nature, that is called as natural resources. Suppose air is made by the nature. Okay, same like water, air, coal, petroleum. Okay, forest, these all made by the nature. So these things which are made, the materials which is made by the nature, that is called as natural resources. And especially the natural resources classified and categorized into two types. One is inexhaustible and another one exhaustible. Means it is one is the exhaustible natural resources, another one is inexhaustible natural resources. So what is that exhaustible natural resources? Exhaustible natural resources means that material which can utilize it by the human beings and it will be finished. Okay, that is called as exhaustible. Exhaustible means which one can finish, it cannot be replenished. That means that is called as exhaustible natural resources. Means suppose if you say that what are the examples, if you say coal, petroleum, forest, mineral, natural gases, these things if you use once, it will finish. Okay, so these are called as what is that exhaustible natural resources. And which one is that inexhaustible natural resources? The natural substances or the natural materials which cannot finish, or if you will utilize it, then we cannot complete it to finish, or we cannot finish that natural resources. Suppose like that air is one, means we cannot finish the air. Yes or no? If you utilize, we are taking it by different way, different activities purposes, we are using that air. Can you finish the air? No, we cannot finish the air. So this is called as inexhaustible natural resources. Sunlight, how much you utilize you do, how much it is there also, it is a large vast amount of natural sources. So which how much it will use also it won't be finished. Such natural resources is called as inexhaustible natural resources. But which one we are supposed to petrol? Petrol it will be finished. One day it will be finished. That's why that scientists are they are expecting if like that way if you will that populations of the world if you will increase by their needs the petrol so if they will utilize then what will happen? One day it will finish because to make that petrol it needs a long periods. Thousands years are required or needs to make the petrol and by that fossil fuels by the plants and animals bodies that petrols are deriving. We will discuss how it is made up. We will discuss in that next videos, upcoming videos. So students, these are whole about that materials. What is that? Generally that whatever that around us, whatever the day-to-day life, we are using that materials. These are some nature it is gifted and some we are making. But that whose are that materials for that nature gifted like some materials are replenishable and means we cannot complete that and some materials whatever we are using that it will be complete. That material which are we can complete that is called as exhaustible natural resources. But that material which we cannot complete by using or by our activity day-to-day life activities we are using that we cannot complete. How much you use also it is a balance utility there. Okay, so such materials, such things are called as inexhaustible natural resources. Okay friends, so I hope you have understood about this what is that natural resources and what are the types or categories. Okay friends, and you have tried in your notebook and we will discuss the other part of that what is that fossil fuels, what are the coals and what are the petroleum and its refining. We will discuss in the upcoming video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.